decided to go the Mall of America. That's number 448 in the books, Fairly Odd Coaster. That almost did me in. I don't get too dizzy, but man, that was spinning. We spun a lot. So James is in the back.
Saw it.
Kai, yeah, James actually did it. That was awesome. So, and we went with Kai. Kai's, where did Kai go? Kai's out here trying to collect his thoughts. So, again, Fairly, whatever coaster. So we just rode Spongebob Squarepants. Here it comes. Spongebob Squarepants. It's my second time on it. I won't lie. It's got a little bit of a rattle headbang in it, but it's a fun ride for me up and down. It was James's first time. One and done? One and done. Kai, what you got? One and done?
There's that little pop of airtime right there. Airport. If you turn
Yes, I know
right there, right there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so, is that one and done, or
Yeah,
you?
one and done. One and done.
So again, not re-rideable, it sounds like, for our crew. So we're off to Orange Street. Let's see if we can get a credit right here. Pepsi Street. Credit 449. Now we're off to the half pipe to make that a 450. Why? Why not? Man, this park is so condensed. There's entrances after entrance after entrance. You really got to pay attention where you're going. We just got lost going to the half pipe. Aviator Mindbender. Actually, I don't even know if it was Aviator Mindbender, but I'm going to go with that right now. It's number 450 in Universe. What was that thing called? Aviator Airbender?
Avatar Airbender.
See, I didn't even get the front right. Avatar Airbender. Yeah, that's it. It's number 450. That was good stuff, though. Yeah. What did you think, James? You in?
It was alright.
Re-rideable?
It was re-rideable.
All right, Kai, re-rideable or one and done?
We didn't spin as much as I thought we would, but the other side was spinning a lot. So,
Is it re-rideable or one and done?
I say it's re-rideable, but only for like a couple more times.
But re-rideable. All right, we're off to Shell Shock. Well, right behind us.
When you lean right, push the right wing down. Push it up until you're spinning 360 degrees. If you want to
Shell shocked. I got one. James got none. Kai got three. off the go-karts. Let's roll. So Kai, are you scared?
Nervous?
Nervous, yeah. Nervous,
Not scared.
So if you can go down head first, the first time, are you going to go down butt first or head first?
I think I'm gonna, lazy river.
Lazy river, let it flow?
Yeah.
All right. Actually, this would be good for Amber because Amber still dreads the old snow tubing because she's cold. So you're going to have to give back feedback for how cold it is, how many layers you had to wear, and, how fun it was. Right?
I'll be layered up.
Layered up. We'll be back. Hey, scoot. Let go. Watch out. Get out. Use the tunnel. Good, get in. This is the road. There's the road. Okay. Eric, let's go. You good? All right, made it to Buck Hill. Man, the boys tapped out. James got bowled over. Kaizen got his knee smashed by me. Man. All right, well, this is all lit up. We got some disco stuff going on, so this should be fun. Let's go. Right, so the customer service award goes to Buck Hill too. So I came a little late because I dropped the guys off after grabbing some food, and I have an email. It says we can be here at 9:30, and I was, again, the booth's already closed because they've been waiting here so long. I mean, I got here at 9:49. So technically, what is that? Almost 20 minutes late, but they've already shut down, and I can't get a sticker yet. So they're dealing with that, and the lady goes, while you're waiting, just go, I got you. And so that's good. That means I didn't have to wait around for their mistake. So again, great customer service. Let's keep it up. First run of the night, I got lucky. 2 girls asked me to do, that sounds horrible. 2 girls asked me to train. All right, lock up and ride down together. And we just went all the way to the end. Finally got my sticker, wherever it went, down there, and going for ride number 2. Let's go. It's cold. My fingers are cold. Man, these ladies are having a blast. Going back here. Oh, man, I'm just laughing. We're having fun out here tubing. Gotta get out and tube, man. Snow tubing is an amazing, fun night. Having a blast. The lights are all going. Everything's going. We're going to be back here tomorrow. Check it out. We're still laughing. They're jumping. He's got... There's so many people back there. But again, it's a blast tonight. Everybody's having a good time. Oh man, luckily I got to meet some people to do trades with, because doing solo tube is not as good as with more people. So we're doing more people. We're getting to the end. And yeah, we just watched somebody eat shit. So snow tubing, Buck Hill was phenomenal. The lights are awesome. Met some people. We did a 5 train up there that was awesome. Went all the way to the end, crashed at the bottom. Oh man, just went solo. Beat the 2 girls that were letting me hang out like a cool old guy. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate it. Oh man, what a blast. Well, going back to the hotel. It's going to be about like 35 minutes. Hopefully the boys feel better tomorrow. We got we got Badlands again in the morning at 10:30. And then we got Buck Hill at 3:30, and yeah, man, this has been a blast. I am absolutely stoked that we were able to come out here and bum the boys, are not feeling well. That's what happens when you get bowled over and get hit by a fat guy like me. So, anyways, great event at Universal today. Wow, Nickelodeon Mall of America. Man, let's keep it real. You know how it ends. Keep your hands up, your seatbelt buckled, and your damn phone in your zipper pocket. See, the zipper pocket. Day 2, quick stop at Badlands. Not really a quick stop. This is actually a long stop.
Long stop at Badlands.
And then we're going to Buck. Yeah, he's already jacked his glasses, but he's up. Kai's in the truck chilling because he's hurting. All right.
My back hurts, but I don't care. I'm a man.
Oh,
Be a man.
Be a man, he says. All right. So hopefully we get a good runs in Badlands today. And then we're going to hopefully get to Buck Hill. I kind of screwed up. I bought tickets for yesterday. Meant to buy them for today.